Wow. What subs are these?
They're old V1 nightshades.
Nightshades, okay. I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video. 10-inch ports?
Yeah, they're 8s.
They're 8s, okay.
Yeah.
2 8s.
They look like 10s.
They look like 10s.
Yeah.
It's just hard to tell because some of the flares.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. What subs are these?
They're old V1 nightshades.
Nightshades, okay. Oh, the old school ones,
Yeah.
really old. Are they 3-inch or 4-inch coils?
Those are 3-inch coils, yeah.
Okay.
They're ZV3 Soft Parts.
Okay.
I was going to get nightshade Soft Parts, but I couldn't get them at the time.
No.
So yeah, I went with these. I still like them though.
Okay.
But,
All right. What is it tuned to?
I believe it's 31.
31? Okay. Did you meter it yet?
No.
No meter? Okay.
The line's pretty long. I was
It
like,
is.
I'll do it next time.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna go to the bathroom or you want to? Okay. Do you need it? Nice doors. American base.
Yeah, they're all Neo Pros.
Neo Pros.
I like them.
All right. What's the difference between Neo Pro and component speed? I don't understand. Like, is it just because it has a mid bass and a tweeter inside of it, or do you know?
I believe so.
It is? Okay. Oh wow.
I know I went for these just because they weigh super light and the mount depth on them is a lot less than
Okay. Yeah. Wolfram.
4500 and a 125.4.
25.4.
Yeah, I still got 2 more amps to put in here.
Really? Oh, work in progress.
Yep.
Nothing wrong with that.
Sounds better with like one window down, one window up.
So loud here with that one up?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you ever, oh yeah, you didn't meter it, that's right. All right. How big is the box? Did you build it?
I got it from a friend. He was in the middle of building it.
Okay.
I finished it. It's about, after port and sub, it's probably close to 10.
Okay. All right. Dude, that sounds really musical though, dude. I like it.
Yeah.
Especially the low note.
Yeah.
what's happening. Looking through the glass, finding wrong within the past, knowing we are. Coming to the place out of the world without the peace, face up bitter. That's the price you pay.
Man, that's a good song, the 30-37, so that's your peak frequency range. I say you peak in what? What do you say you peak at?
Low 30s, high 40s.
Low 30s.
I ain't really tested it yet.
Yes, sir. Awesome, man. I appreciate it.
I'm gonna wait till I get the other 4500 on them and then probably meter them.
Okay. Yep. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.